Emakhosini, how are you? I hope niyaphila. uNkulunkulu namadlozi wenu asanikhanyisela sanani kuhle. Yeah, so today sizokhuluma ngomuntu onomoya wamakhosi. Right? I'm not gonna dwell much on the different types of amakhosi ngoba amakhosi ahlukene, right? But there will be signs of umuntu onamakhosi. Umuntu onamakhosi uye uphuphe amabhayi wezingwe kanjena. There's different types of cloths. There's yellow and black. There's white and black. Kuning. So, umoya wamakhosi can differ. Abanye bangenwa umoya wamakhosi because there is a bloodline yobukhosi in their family, right? Maybe kudala le the people umqali wesibongo amathonga maybe wayeyinkosi, or they were supposed to be also inkosi, but things ubukhosi balahleka, yabo, ubukhosi balahleka along the way, but the blood iyona eshoyo ukuthi wena uyingane yamakhosi. Mawingane yamakhosi, guys, you face a lot of hardships ngani umuntu onamakhosi, you tend to be stubborn ngoba amakhosi, they tend to be stubborn. You tend ukuthi ungatshelwa ukuthi wenzeni ngasiphi isikhathi, and sometimes it's not you. And umuntu onamakhosi, you see them with the leadership skills. Mawusa semncane usangena isikole uyambona ukuthi lo, anything that has to do with positions you get, like class rep, whatever, you join a community something, sebakuphi isihlalo sokuthi uchair or a secretary, like they always, like it always pushes you to be the head, not the tail. Once you become the tail, iyakususa leyo nto izoqi, especially if kunobukhosi or maybe khona omunye naye unamakhosi, so lamakhosi they are clashing, so ngeke kube namakhosi amabili endaweni eyodwa. So you will see wena kuba ngathi awufuneki kanti bona trying to take you out, because wena naloyo muntu you will bump heads, and uma usebenza kuyinkinga ngoba umuntu onamakhosi, amakhosi abafuna usebenza. Ma usebenza emsebenzini, you're gonna have lots and lots of problems, unless if you're gonna be in management position, people are gonna be reporting to you, then it's gonna work out. If you've got a manager you are reporting to and they speak to you anyhow, even if you can try to say, I have a manager, I want to speak to this person in a respectful manner, but you will feel it in your spirit ukuthi khona into engavuki man, khona into ethi hayi uyangijwayela lo. You understand? Ila makhosi ohamba nawo bayalwa, so you're not gonna last. Umuntu onamakhosi, you are meant to be in leadership, you are meant ukuphatha, That's why when you have your own businesses, it is even better, because now you will exercise that leadership, that leadership skill in you. Baye bathi, okay, ngikhuluma ngalaba vele laba, okay, nalama sign I apply kulabanye, but laba banobukhosi bangempela, because now it seems like everybody unamakhosi, wonke umuntu unebhayi lamakhosi, but asilwi, right? Umuntu onobukhosi basemanzini, khosi bangempela. Umuntu ongenwe yenzuza. Even in relationships, if uyintombazana uba nenkani, uba umuntu okuthiwa ufuna ukulalele ngawe emndenini, ufuna umuntu balalele ngawe, you understand? So umuntu indoda engazazi ukuthi ifunani esasewumfana angeke ikwazi ukuthi ihlalisane nawe, because you're gonna clash. And if you are in a relationship with a man who seems to be controlling, if uyintombazane you're gonna clash, right? So reason why umuntu onobukhosi basemanzini angeke futhi aye ukuyothwasa noma kungafanelanga, because abanye bayaya kodwa bekungafanelanga ukuthi baye bayothwasa, it's because inkosi ayikhothameli nanoma ubani. Mawufika laphaya, remember you have to be now uthobe uguqela ugobela, ngisho nanoma wakuthuka kangakanani, wakuzwisa ubuhlungu kangakanani, fanele uyehle. Unfortunately lo moya ngeke ufuna ukwehla ngoba according to lo moya wena uyinkosi. This person in actual fact should be bowing down to you. You understand? That's why abantu abanobukhosi abasemanzini abasuke baya bayothwasa, a lot of them clash with abogobela. Uyalwa nogobela, like mangikhuluma ngempi angikhulumi ngokucabana because of normal things ukuthi like uyalwa nogobela. Now uzizwa ukuthi lo mangambamba Nkosi yami mangambamba nje ikabancane le ndawo, you know, it's not you, it's yilo moya yabo trying to tell you ukuthi wena umkhulu kunalo muntu. That's why umoya knows no age, knows no gender. Yabo mabakubukile bangakubuka as umuntu wesifazane noma bakubuke njengomuntu omncane ngokwenyama kodwa ngokomoya umdala. So yet at the same time you must learn how to control lo moya. You must not say mina ngihamba namakhosi so people should understand ukuthi I'm stubborn, people should understand ukuthi mina ngiphathwa, I can't be told. No, umoya uyakwazi ukucontrola. Mawuzizwa ukuthi this conversation vele it's not gonna go very well, akekho ozofuna ukwehla, suse in that situation, remove yourself from that equation. Remove yourself by all means, because if you don't remove yourself, child, at the end of the day when uzobohlela embedeni uzobuhlungu. You understand? And mababona ukuthi they giving you signs ukuthi suka la and awusuki, bazogcine bakususa bona. If they see ukuthi in this company kunento ezenziwayo ukuthi wena ungatholi any positions, any promotions in maybe the manager uyaganga noma something nje kubusy, lizoyenza isiphithiphithi nje ukuthi uzuqoshwe noma wena uzuzihambele uresign. So it's way better if you start your own thing, if you start your own businesses, if you start your own companies. That's why wonke umuntu ombonayo emhlabeni uyamhlonipha ngoba awazi ukuthi uhamba nabo bani. Kwesinye isikhathi uyothi udelela umuntu kanti awusazi ukuthi udelela lobukhosi ahamba nawo. And umuntu onamakhosi mase wasebenza, amakhosi awahluleli nanoma ubani. People say gogo mona umnguni unomndawo no. When do you know? You will know masocala ukusebenza. Ngothi okay makugena ubani abalozi bayaphaka, mangena ubani ukuphakama isithunywa, mangena ubani ukuphakama amagedla, mangena ubani ukuphakama amakhosi. Amakhosi uyakwazi ukuthi monawo iline abantu babo 10 outside. Ngaleso sikhathi ngalelo langa kuphakama amakhosi, ungafeel ukuthi futhi ungathi ungabahlolela bonke, bajikise bonke. Noma ukhethe lo sekugcineni elayinini uthi ngicela ungene maceda bonke ubajikise. Because inkosi iyakhetha ukuthi ilapha obani ngasiphi isikhathi. Inkosi, like that's why you dream of presidents or you dream of amakhosi, because awukwazi ukuthi uyinkosi, right? Uyinkosi bese uqhamuka nanoma yini. Inkosi is something that is rare to see, that is rare to experience, that is rare to appear. You understand? So ufanele